This is really good news, everybody, and the best way to explain it, you're seeing it right now on the screen. JASMY coin continues exploding in market cap, in volume, in price, and the latest updates. It's just amazing, right? I was now in some communities on Twitter Spaces, and I couldn't tell you how grateful and welcome I was. And then the previous video I made about JASMY with over 400 likes. You guys want me to keep talking about JASMY? We'll continue talking about JASMY coin, and I've been learning a lot, and I know how much JASMY I need to become a normal, average member of the community. I was asking this to some awesome people right here yesterday. I was there for a while, and I'm like just getting to know the project, getting to know the community, getting to know the members. And there's a lot of people actually from Cronos that own JASMY as well, and I've been following crypto and I know about JasmyCon for a while, and there's a lot of momentum right now going on. One of the best ways to explain it is with what you're seeing right now on the screen, exploding to 41% in the last day. And let me show you guys over $1 billion in volume. And you're seeing right now on the screen, that is position 103 according to CoinMarketCap. But you know how far it went? To the 90s, to the 93, 94, when we reached, let me show you the actual price right here. Look at that beauty. That is a beautiful candlestick, godlike candlestick in 017. And that just happened in this week. The last 3 days, the price of JASMY doubled. In the last 3 days, the price of JASMY doubled. You're putting prices back in April, May 2022. You're literally sending it to the moon. And that's exactly what people are looking for because yes, prices out there are doing decent, but we're actually getting some little corrections in the markets in the top 100. But when you start looking at the top 100, who are the ones that are making the most money? Sia Coin, Feet, BNV doing really well actually. But when you go to the top 200, the one that is dominating, that is Jasmy Coin. So go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel, turn on those notification bells, and smashing the like button if you want more Jasmy content on this channel as well. I'm gonna be buying all my Jasmy on BingX, link down below. First one get up to $5,000 if you're a new user on this exchange trade, super cheap fees, and I think we all are enjoying ourselves in this community. And let me show you this one. The real reason Jasmy was created, and I was learning how they told me that the person who created the Sony logo created the Jasmy logo. And it is a Japanese IoT Internet of Things and blockchain community, guys. I mean, there's obviously a potential now that Japan, as we talked yesterday, now has this opportunity to even grow more in the industry. Never know how big could get, but why to wait? Now, I, it's kind of difficult to compare Jasmy in a way because IoT. I was actually looking yesterday at this. Who are the main competitors? And if you have any idea, let me know in the comments down below so people kind of see what are the ones out there. IOTA. It's one of those that I'm looking at that I think could be an opportunity. IOTA right here, position 85, and the price and the market cap we're looking at 855. So obviously IOTA, Internet of Things, it makes total sense to be a competitor of Jasmy, but it's not actually doing better than Jasmy when it comes to price, right? So can Jasmy get to that level of 80? Well, IOTA is right here. Jasmy was position 90 something just a few hours ago. Jasmy right now is looking at 132% in the last 7 days, exactly doing really well. So the price went higher hours ago. Some of us do sleep really delicious, but you are watching these charts with me for the last couple of hours and it's doing phenomenal, right? So one of the things that I always like to emphasize my viewers is that everything that goes up eventually has to come down. I understand crypto somewhat well, and I know, and you're seeing it right now on the screen in the day, right? The last 3 days, even 4 days, the price of Jasmine has exploded, but it's going to come to a point that we're going to see some corrections. Not 100% retracement, which that will be this all the way to the bottom. I don't think we're going to see that based on the new volume, new people that are here. But we're probably going to be seeing some levels that we have visited before. We could be actually looking at this level once again, which is a passing the penny. And that's just my opinion because of what I know altcoins could do. And because I know that whales are always looking to cash out the profits, because when you 2x, I mean, literally, you guys, this is 0.006 right here. You literally 2x, over more than 2x, guys. There's a lot of people who are looking into making some good money, and some of the 3x, right? So it's insane. That's why you see the correction starting today with a almost 20% correction right now. And it just happened hours ago. Just happened hours ago. So Jasmy's exploding, but just be mindful of potential liquidity corrections that people are coming in very happy and FOMO, but you are just becoming the exit liquidity of whales that bought much cheaper. That is why I want to get into Jasmy. I'm going to be buying it here. So here it is. Big X. This is my account, everybody. We got some delicious funds. And I'll be adding my Jasmy here. I can buy totally here on Big X. So I'm just waiting for that good moment. I'm not rushing at all. So if you guys are getting into this one for long-term purposes, then that is a different story, because long-term gains are always welcome, and I love it. Long-term opportunities, you know that that's going to be really a great way for you to just get ahead of the game. Now, Jasmy on X seems to be people involved to celebrate 50,000 followers, updating profile and unveiling the design of a new service. And then we see just people happy, right? Becoming very involved in the community and community members, groups. Um, so earlier today, this was really a great idea to be a part of. And here it is, position 93. And IOTA was just a couple more positions above. So this, what it means is when FOMO comes in, you're late. Let's just keep it simple. FOMO is here for Jasmy. These are the people that you might want to watch out to as well for Jasmy. When FOMO comes in, if you haven't bought, you're late. Obviously, it can go much higher, but in this little by little pieces, I'm always looking for that blood in the streets. It always comes. That's when people start double checking if they're making a good choice. That's when I can smell the fear. That's when I can smell the first drops of blood, and when I can bite and come in quietly, not telling many people. And when it starts exploding again, I'm like, look at how much money we're making. Guys, that's kind of what it works for me. You're seeing my positions right there. I'm not lying to you, but 1 million, Jasmy. Tell me in the comments if you want. How much Jasmy do you have? How much Jasmy you want to have, basically, till the exit plan that you could, have for you and your positions? Because 1 million, about 10,000 or so dollars, right? Doesn't sound like a bad idea. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now, if you want to see more of this, link down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.